Let's start with the JAM Physics 2017 question paper. Here the question is from electricity and magnetism. So here in a coaxial cable, the radius of the inner conductor is 2 mm and that of the outer one is 5 mm. The inner conductor is at potential of 10 volt and while the outer conductor is grounded. So the value of potential at a distance of 3.5 mm from the axis is what? We know the del square V is equals to 0. Del square V is equals to 0. We consider this. Then we can write this 1 by R into ddtr of R into dvdr is equals to 0. Then R into dvdr is equals to C1. If this into ddr of this is equals to 0, then the function R dvdr is constant. So V equals to integration over C1 by R dr plus C2. So we can write this V equals to C1 log R plus C2. So at R equals to 2 mm, this is given at R equals to 2 mm, V equals to 10, we have this is 10 equals to C1, this is C1 log 2 plus C2. So when R equals to 5 mm, V equals to 0, then we can write C1 log 5 plus C2 is equals to 0. Then we take the solution of this 1 and 2. If we solve these two equations, then we get this C1 is equals to minus 10.91 and C2 is equals to 17.56. So VR is equal to minus of C1, this is 10.91 log R plus 17.56. This is the C2. So VR is equals to this. So this equals to 3.89 volt. VR is equals to C1 minus C1 log R plus this C2. Here this is log 2. So here this is minus 10.91 log R plus 17.56 and here R equals to 3.5 millimeter. We have this R equals to 3.5 millimeter. So we get this 3.89 volt. We get this 3.89 volt. So this is the correct answer for this question. So this is the value of potential. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can contact us or WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367930076. You can WhatsApp us or contact us in this number. This is 98367930076. So that's all for today.